let's curl my hair with the steam rollers that I use. And the steam rollers I use are the Caruso steam rollers. I started using these back in middle school. I think I saw an infomercial or something, ordered them off of the infomercial. No, I actually saw them on an infomercial and then found them in Kmart and bought them from Kmart. That's what ended up happening. So I've been using these since I was in middle school. This is not the same set that I had in middle school. I have bought like 1 or 2 sets after that just because I used it so much that stuff broke and had to be thrown away. So the way these steam rollers work is you have this steamer here that you put water in, plug in, and the steam comes out of it. And you've got this little thing here where you stick your curler on top. And then you put the curler in your hair, let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, however long you want, and then you get your curl. Now there's different size rollers. There's larger ones that I use, or there's smaller ones that I also have, but I don't really use. They're better for shorter hair if you want a really tight curl. I like a loose little bend at the end or a little bit of a wave. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill this up with water, plug it in, and show you how I do my rollers. I filled it up, and you don't fill it all the way up to the top. There's actually a line in here that tells you how far you should fill it up. So let me go ahead and put the top on this, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and let her steam. It takes a couple of minutes for the steam to actually start to come out. I'll show you a clip of what that looks like. But while that is happening, I like to go ahead and prep my hair. Now I have all these rollers and I'm not putting every single one in. I tend to section my hair and do it in big kind of sections. And I do it in big sections because it allows me to get a softer, less tight curl. I just don't like the really tight curls. It's just not my jam. And so I'll do some at the top and at the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna start putting these in. And one thing that I do that doesn't come with the rollers is I take like white tissue paper and stick it on the ends of my hair. And then I take the roller and lightly roll up. And on the top part of my hair, I don't like to use the clips or the covers that come with it because they leave a kink. So I take a clip, a claw clip, and hold it to my head like that. Okay, let's go ahead and do the rest of my hair. And for the bottom half of my hair, I can go ahead and use the covers because I don't care so much about a kink under there. I can use fewer too. Now the tissue paper helps my ends not get frizzy and helps keep them smooth. And one little tip is that I'll show you in a sec. I will stick the cover on the steamer before I put it on my hair. And that just adds a little extra steam to the whole situation. Doesn't dramatically change the results, but just a little thing that I do. I think I might have read it as a tip in using these rollers. Okay, all the rollers are in. I'm gonna let them stay for about maybe 15 minutes and then I'll take them out and show you what my hair looks like. Okay, let's take these down and we'll see what we got. Little fa-fa boom. Alright, let me show you what it looks like from the back. A little curl, not a lot, and it'll last as long as I wrap my hair. The curl will start to loosen over time, but it should last for about a week as long as I wrap my hair at night. Hi, this is obviously several days into the future, but I wanted to make sure that I asked you guys to subscribe, give this video a like, and let you know that there's another video on my channel that YouTube thinks you will like to watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.